Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of PayU Euro Payment Acquired Integration for Odoo. It enables the secure and the seamless online payments within the Odoo ERP system. It supports the PLN currency with the real-time payment authorization and the instant confirmation. Ensures a smooth checkout experience and reliable payment processing for the European businesses. So here for the first step, I have already configured the database and now I'm just going to the website module, and under the configuration you will find one option for the payment providers, and I'm selecting the PayU as a payment method. So here you have to enable it in the test mode, select your company and the website, and you have to add the test credentials for the same, and please ensure that the target currency is set up as a PLN for the same. Now I'm just going to the home page, navigating to the shop and selecting one product, add it to the cart. And now I'm just going to proceed with the checkout and selecting this payment method and going to pay for the same. So here I'm selecting the payment card method and going to pay for the same. So here you can see our payment is successful and sale order is also created for the same. Now I'm just going to the website, and under the configuration you will find your payment transactions, and I'm selecting the latest one. So here you can able to see the payment method and the provider. So every details are reflected over here. And you can also able to see your sale order created for the website. After that, if you want to track the payment, you just have to select this. So here you can see the payment transactions method and one unique memo number for the same. If you have any questions and doubts regarding the same, note down in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe BrowseInfo's channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.